Good day everyone, I hope all is well. Leonila here once again, your UKRN Cicerone. And for today's vlog, I hope all will stay tuned to hear all about the SG Recruitment's latest job openings in the United Kingdom for our nurses and midwives. Before we start, I would like to request everyone to subscribe to SG Recruitment's YouTube channel, which is Leonila, your UKRN Cicerone, so we can help you towards achieving your goal of becoming a UKRN or a UKRM. SG Recruitment or Sumner Group Recruitment is a company which is under the group of Sumner Group Health, currently based in London, United Kingdom. SG Recruitment is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And we also have two offices in the Philippines. One is GHR Healthcare Recruitment and Sumner Group Training. SG Recruitment does not charge any fees to our candidates. In fact, we provide free visa, ticket, and accommodation. This is sponsored by our client. We are also reimbursing fees for the NMC registration, CBT exam, OET or IELTS exam. SG Recruitment can deploy its candidates to United Kingdom from 3 to 6 months. 3 months if the nurse or the midwife is already an OET or IELTS passer and has already attained the OSCE outstanding status. 6 months if the candidate still has to take the training for OET or IELTS. SG Recruitment processes each application of candidates from start to finish, from OET and IELTS training, to NNC documentation processing, CB rebranding and interview coaching, immigration and visa application for both the applicants and their dependents. And yes, we deploy our candidates together with their families. Currently, SG Recruitment is working on 40 to 50 hospitals all over United Kingdom, consisting of NHS Trust, private hospitals, and home care facilities. I can name some of the hospitals SG Recruitment is presently working with, but for the rest, we are only disclosing the name of the organization upon interview. So one of them is the Leeds Teaching Hospital. We are also having partnership with Royal Berkshire Hospital, University of Sussex Hospital, and Royal Wolverhampton Hospital. Also, Buckinghamshire Hospital. We also have a huge requirement for mental health or psychiatric ward nurses. And of course, we are continuously hiring nurses in all specialty areas: ICU, theater, PEDIA, general ward, medical, surgical ward nurses. About SG Recruitment's application process. Each candidate is expected to send their application and the following documents: CV, OET or IELTS result, CBT if any, their OSCE outstanding status if they had already done OET and CBT, and send them via email at leonila.delarosa@sgrecruitment.com or at info@sgrecruitment.com, and contact me via WhatsApp on this number +971 52 640 7619. Each application received via WhatsApp or via email will be forwarded directly to our nurse consultant, Venisur, to conduct an assessment and to coach you on how to ace your interview. After Benicer, you will be requested to submit us your complete documents as well as the copy of your rebranded CV. The CV template will be forwarded to you by one of our admins or by myself. Once we receive your complete documents via email, you will then be referred to Ms. Lysel, who will conduct the orientation for the trust which is hiring at the moment. Upon successful interview and after signing the job offer, you will then move on to the next level, which is the deployment processing, and will be handled by our deployment team in UAE and in the Philippines. For the work permit application and for the visa application, not only for you, but for your family as well, or for your dependent if you plan to bring them with you at the time of deployment. The expected deployment date after the interview, and if the candidate is already in OSCE outstanding status, is only 3 months. Possible interview questions for midwives and mental health nurses, as well as the tutorial on how to rebrand your CV, are already available in our YouTube channel, so please check them out. Well, I guess that's enough for now, and I'll see you again next time. Let's keep on believing that whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Ciao and God bless.